Hello again, guys. Welcome back to another video on Budget with Soph. Today we are doing the last cash stuffing for January side hustle. So if you'd like to see how much money we'll be cash stuffing and where that money will be going, do go ahead, subscribe to the channel down below, and let's get into the video. So, for today's cash stuffing, we will pull out our January, and this is the last week, so we're doing this is the last week of January that we're doing, so we're doing the 26th through the 1st of February. So we have $200 that we got from babysitting, and then we added $160 from drop off, so we have $360. But we always do $50 every Friday. So that Friday will be the 26th that their money is taken out, so that's $50. So today we'll be doing $310 that we will be cash stuffing for our savings challenges and side hustle. So that is how much money we'll be doing today. So this week we had a total of $360, and out of that amount we'll be cash stuffing $310. So that is it for that. Let's see our money. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $15 in ones. We'll do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40. So $310 for our saving funds, and let's get into cash stuffing. We will start with our savings. So we will grab our marker. We are still doing January. So we officially have $200 in our savings account online for the month of January. Officially. Well, not officially because I just took that money out to cash stuff, but I am getting paid, I don't know when, for this week's drop off, $160, which will go into my savings challenge. So today is February 5th, and today's quote is, "Before you ever came into being, God had a purpose in mind for you." Wow. Before you ever came into being, God had a purpose in mind for you. Did you know that? I hope you knew that. Your parents prayed for you, but God had a purpose for you, okay? Just remember that. So for our savings challenge for January, to finish January, we are going to put $26 into our savings binder. Let's pull the savings binder out, and we are going to go into our 52 weeks, and we are going to do 20, 5, and 6. So we have We could easily do a cash condensing. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11. So $111 in our 26 weeks already. Wow. The things are adding up. It's adding up, and it's adding up fast. This is why I think this really it really is great to do. $25 in our Friday savings challenge. So for Fridays, we now have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, $70 in Fridays. What's It Like Outside is getting $45. Today is Thursday, so I did not see how much money we'll be saving for February for month 2. So we should have 20, 40, and a 5. So this money is gonna trip me up. So let's see if I can do this. I'm gonna put this to the side. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 50, 70, 75, 80, 85. So 185 for What's It Like Outside. Wow. Wow. Ah. For our Christmas savings challenge, I think I'm going to do 25. And I'm going to color the 25 right here. Guys, I think this book that I made and the choices of savings challenges that I did for me this year, I feel like it's gonna be a lot easier than last year's. I feel like I didn't finish a lot of my savings challenges. I only finished, I think, my monthly, which I really wanted to do, so yeah. And I also started my 50 envelope challenge, but I did not finish it, so yeah. I feel like this year, these savings challenges that I chose for myself, they were a good choice. So we have 20, 40, 65 in Christmas. And then for our 26 weeks, we're going to do nothing because we are not doing the paycheck. And our save and double, we are not stuffing. So that is that for our savings challenges. We did not start the 50 envelope, and we did not start our shut the box or save or double. So we will be finishing that up very soon because our Christmas savings challenge is almost, it's not that much, but I feel like it will take a little bit of time. So we will be doing 20, 40. I'm going to do my 100 envelope challenge. But this is the one that I made. So let's grab that. That's this one right here. And we are on the 60s. We're almost done with this. We're on 60s. So we have 20, 61, and 62, and 63. So they get 40. Because in this savings challenge, if you're new here, I only do 20s. So for the 60s, so for the 20s, for the 40s, 60s, and 80s, I will be doing $40. And then for the others, I will be doing $20. So it gives me more money to save. So we put $80 into our $100 envelope saving challenge. We are going to grab our 50 envelope savings challenge that I made. Let's see what numbers. We are almost done with this. I'm really happy about that. We're almost done with this. We're gonna do 16 because I did not do it yet. Let's see what other numbers I have to find. 14, 15, 17 is done. So let me just do 16, 5, 10, 15, and then $16. Done. And then 23. I'll do two numbers in here. 21, 2, and 3. So 23 and 16 were my two numbers for my 50 envelope challenge. I also have the other 50 envelope challenge in my savings book, but that is a different kind of savings challenge. So yeah. Let's get into our low priority. So I am going to, so vacation is adventure. Vacation is adventure. So I'm gonna take out 100, 20, 40, 60, 70. And I'm going to put this to the side because this is how much for the Airbnb that I need to pay my friend. And then we are going to cash stuff $5 in here. Car wash, we're gonna do nothing. Going out, we're gonna do nothing. God babies, I'm gonna put 20. So 10 and 10. Amazon and Etsy, I'm gonna do 5 and 5. Costco and BJ, I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 and 5. So $10 in Costco and BJ's. And that'll be it for our low priority. And for our high priority, we're going to do, let's see, 1 month ahead, I'll put 20. And then Sophia will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think that's it for my cash stuffing for this 5, 10, 15. I'll take $15 out of Sophia. Actually, I'll save the 100 and I'll take the rest out. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I'll take out $21 for this trip. And that is it for this video, guys. That is it. So I took out 70 for the Airbnb. It's actually 75, so this 5 will go in here. 75. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $16 will go into my spending for food, and I do have my $50 for eating out. So that should cover everything. Actually, I'm gonna take out, You guys, I just noticed that I didn't put the $4 into my monthly. It's okay though, it's only $4. I think I'll be fine with that. And my sinking funds, I'm going to take out fun. In fun, I'm going to take out 20, 40, 50. I'm gonna take out 50 in fun because this is a fun trip, so might as well take something out for fun. So I took out a lot of money. So for this trip, we will be taking with us 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 241 for this trip. $241 plus my eating out money and plus my... Some of this will go into gas because I need some money for gas to come back. I have a full tank to go, but to come back, it's a little more. So this is it for my video. Thank you guys all for watching. It might have been confusing at the end, but I hope you guys understand and see what I'm doing. I did not cash stuff my $4 for January, but I'll do that next month. It's only $4. I can make that up easily. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.